Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 13th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index. And I wanted to start off on the daily time frame today because it's really important to understand these higher time frames. And this, to me, definitely has been looking like the end of a WXY, which I've been saying for at least a week now. If this is the end of a WXY, it will go down and it will take out the previous lows, continuing the much higher time frame downtrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I would definitely be only looking for shorts on the dollar. Look at some of these 1, 2, 3 wave pullbacks, by the way. 1, 2, 3 waves up right there. 1, 2, 3 waves up right there. 1, 2, 3 waves up right there. 1, 2, 3 waves up right here. So definitely bearish the dollar, which means I would take this information and I would apply it to all the US dollar pairs. I personally trade all the US dollar pairs based on my US dollar analysis. If I'm bearish the dollar, then I would have to apply that to the dollar pairs themselves. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.